Today let's continue our Pacific Northwest adventure in exploring Kirkland, Washington, USA. Let's explore the waterfronts, parks, and the city, so join me on the Epic Travel Adventures.
It's pretty warm out today. Could use a matcha cold drink.
Look at her wanting some matcha cold drink from Starbucks. Oh, wow. Kirkland was founded in 1888 and today has a population of almost 100,000 people. It is the 10th largest city in Washington state, with Seattle being the first. Kirkland is about 11 miles east from Seattle by car across a beautiful Lake Washington. Here you will find lots of outdoor restaurants, coffee shops, and many beautiful parks. By the way, the glass building in front is the Anthony's restaurant, where you can eat a variety of delicious foods. That is beautiful. We are on the Lake Street, so let's make our way to one of the parks located south of here. This is a Sequoia Sempervirens tree, which is also referred to as the Coastal Redwood. These incredible trees live from 1,000 to over 2,000 years, making them some of the oldest living things on Earth. What a beautiful day today, very sunny, nice, little bit of wind, but overall beautiful. On the Kirkland Lake Side, you will find some of the most incredible houses with awesome water views, and in this area in particular, they can go up to $5 million. This is the David Brink Park, which was named after the Kirkland Parks Director, who established a multitude of waterfront beach parks in the area back in the 1960s. It is a nice little park located on the Lake Street with a limited street parking. But honestly, you don't even need to park here, as that it is only a 10-minute walk from the downtown. Here, you can launch your non-motorized boats, kayaks, paddleboards, and even swim. There's a nice little pier where you can take a stroll and catch some nice views from as well. So what do you think?
It's nice weather.
What are you gonna eat?
I don't know. Some seafood.
Kirkland's well-known Cow and Coyote statue located on Central Way was sculpted in 1995 by Brad Rule. On the opposite side of the Cow and Coyote statue you will see the close quarters statue of two giant rabbits sculpted by Dan Ostermiller in 1990. Next, join me in exploring more of the Pacific Northwest, specifically the Tacoma Glass Museum and the city of Tacoma. Stay tuned only on the Epic Travel Adventures! And if you want to see more of my awesome videos, then make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.